Turbulence defined the year 2020 for businesses all over the world, with COVID-19 causing catastrophic damage to the supply chains by exposing their weaknesses. It may only get worse in 2021, with the second wave of the pandemic posing fresh challenges. There's tremendous pressure on businesses to navigate this turbulence and get the supply chain back on track. This pressure comes from the consumers, who have changed consumption and demand patterns, from the vast untapped data that can be leveraged to build an integrated set of connected networks, and from digital technologies that can make transparent, intelligent supply chain a reality. Successful businesses look up to ERP solutions that create a responsive, resilient, customer-centric, connected, and demand-driven supply chain, so that they can ditch functional silence, add value to customers' experience, and take future disruptions out of the equation by answering the questions of tomorrow, today. Successful businesses are looking at BatchMaster to have supply chains that are built to last.